Alright guys, you've never thought of cucumbers like this, but this salad is fantastic. An amazing Cantonese spin on a beautiful cucumber salad. Let's get it. Anyways, get one large cucumber and chop off the ends of each side. Just like so. How you doing? Anyways, get an alternating peel, guys. Check it out. It actually creates a pretty cool design, honestly. So do this all the way around the cucumber. Perfect. Now split that puppy down the middle and peel the seeds out. Peel those seeds out, and it's because the seeds are so moist, they hold so much water. We don't want all that water content in our salad itself. So do that for both sides of the halves of this cucumber. And now use a Chinese cleaver or a rolling pin, something heavy, and just, boom, smash that thing. Smash like so. You want to make sure it's flat and together. And if it's not together, that's fine. Just make sure you get really nice slanted cuts on these individual peels from the half. We want to keep it in halves, but if not, totally fine. Work with what you got and cut it slanted. That's all I'm saying, guys. How you doing? So now we're going to repeat this process. Rinse and repeat, baby. That's all we do. Chop it slanted, gives it a nice aesthetic. And like I said, if it falls apart, just continue that consistent slanted chop. Either way, we're good to go. Anyways, next, a quarter of a red bell pepper, chop like so. You want these cuts to be kind of thin, not too thin. Let's say quarter of an inch thick, maybe half an inch thick. Anyways, now 5 to 8 pinches of salt to help remove the water. And then, of course, 1 tablespoon of sugar to also help remove the water. Little known fact, sugar also removes water just like salt does. Mix it all up well and let that sit off to the side for about half an hour. In the meantime, let's go ahead and grab our cilantro. We want to get about half an inch to an inch length cuts on that cilantro. Throw it into the salad. Cut 1/4 of a white onion thinly. Or you can use a half stalk of green onions. I think a half stalk of green onions is preferred. However, I only had white onions, like always. Anyways, chop it thin and toss it into the pot. How you doing? Next, after you toss it into the pot, of course, guys, garlic. We're gonna use 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and this is for the dressing. So you're gonna wanna chop it up, smash it, and mince it thinly and as finely as possible, guys. Because this is going in the dressing, just keep that in mind. Let's try to get it as fine as possible. The finer the better. How you doing? That's just how life works, right? We like fine things, the finer things in life. Anyways, add about half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of Chinese chili sauce, paste, red chili sauce. It comes in different forms. Anything related works. Next, what else are we gonna throw in here, guys? Boom, bada beep, soy sauce, of course. Get 1 tablespoon of soy sauce into that bad boy. And then we are going to add some sesame oil or oyster sauce. Either one works. Same thing again, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And then, of course, some white vinegar or rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons of this goes in. And then to balance it out with some sweet goodness, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Ask your neighbors if you need to. And mix it up, guys. Mix it up really well. Mix it as good as you possibly can with your little forky or your little chopsticks, whatever you got. Boom, bada beep, boop. Taste it like everything. Taste and adjust, a quick taste test. Looks like we need to adjust, and that's fine. You need to adjust on the fly. Oh, and in the meantime, drain the water from the salad. The salt and the sugar has been doing its work. So, I drained it the lazy way, but you could use a strainer, whatever. And now garlic goes into the bowl of dressing. Mix it up very well, like so. And like I said, I'm adjusting. I'm adding some more soy sauce and more rice vinegar because that's what my flavor buds told me we needed. So I listened to them. How you doing? Anyways, we're good to go. Throw the dressing into the salad bowl and mix it up very well. I'm throwing a lid on and just shaking the shit out of it. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta do with that what you must, guys. Do with that what you must. Shake it, 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 shake it. Shake it up. Shake it up, guys. It's quite the arm workout, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, plate and enjoy. If you love this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And friggin' A, this was good. Enjoy, guys. Cheers.